The Digitimer D501 is a compact USB-powered isolated temperature monitor intended for human or animal physiology research. Incorporating electrical isolation to medical device standards, the D501 is designed for safe use in human research studies. Although the D501 was developed specifically for use during QtracW-based threshold tracking measurements of axonal excitability, other software programs can easily access the temperature measurements. With the latest QtracW software, temperature values are recorded alongside evoked EMG responses and displayed on the backlit LCD display. Each D501 is supplied with a USB cable and a compact, disc-shaped thermistor which may be affixed to the skin with medical tape. The D501 couldn't be simpler to set up. The first step is connection to the host PC via the supplied USB cable. Next, the thermistor probe is connected to the D501 via the 1/4-inch jack plug. The thermistor is compact and suitable for placement under the insulated edge of a stimulating electrode or simply taped onto the skin. The large backlit display shows the temperature in Celsius with 0.1 degree precision.